everyone, so festival season, we're back with another style, super quick, super easy. Let me know what you think of this one. So I've added in a really quick wave. You could easily do this by braiding the hair or you could curl the hair, no problem. And we're going to go for like a really cute, like flower, romantic style. And I'm just going to use my fingers, I'm not even going to use a brush, and just kind of drag this hair over the shoulder. And then I'm just going to tie elastic just to secure that hair. And then you can just kind of go in and just loosen this off a little bit. So now I'm going to divide this ponytail in two, but not this way, we're going to go that way because we want the braid to sit flat at the front. So I'm going to divide it up, two equal sections, just make sure they are as equal as you can. And then I'm going to divide this top one into two, and we're going to bring these round the back. And then you're going to connect these two together. Just going to pop this out of the way. So this is a really simple method. It's literally just connecting ponytails. So elastic goes in, like so. Release this hair down. Before you go any further, you're just going to tease out these edges a little bit. You want it nice and boho-y, nice and big. And you're going to divide it into two. This ponytail comes through the centre like so. Clip it out the way, and then you're going to connect these two together. And again, just tease this out. And I just want you to repeat this as far down as you can. So divide it up, that one comes through, clip out the way and connect. So I bought these flowers on Amazon and they came with some sort of wire that you push into the flower, and I've just clipped that wire and I'm going to use these down this braid. So obviously this isn't a wedding style, this is festival, this is fun hair. So go crazy, put whatever colours you want. We've just gone white today, but by all means you can mix it up. So I'm going to take this first elastic here and I'm just going to push this flower in. So I'm just going to kind of even this up a little bit by just placing something just in the hair here, and I'm just going to use a little grip just to secure that. So now I'm just going to place a rose sort of midway down, and then I think I'm just going to go, I think it's a carnation, correct me if I'm wrong, on this last one here. I'm just finishing it off with a little bit of green on this side. And you can do more, you can go crazy or just add the one, but that is our finished look. How cute is that? So easy. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.